Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO Watch X2 Mini and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. The quickest way to uninstall applications is to open the app menu, so wake up the screen, then press the Chrome button to open the app menu. Now press and hold on one of the icons, tap on Edit Apps, and now the icons with the minus button on them are the apps you can uninstall basically. So find the app you want to uninstall, tap on it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And the app will be removed from your watch. Another way to do it is to do it through the settings. So if you go to the settings, then find the option called Apps and Notifications and tap on it. Here look for the app info and tap on it. Wait until the list is downloading and then find the app you want to uninstall. Like I said before, not all of the apps will be uninstallable. Basically, you won't be able to remove every app on this watch. Some of them are not being basically able to be removed. So find the app you want to uninstall, then tap on the uninstall button, tap on the check mark, and the app will be removed. And then you can press the Chrome button to go back to watch face. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.